What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. All right, so make sure y'all subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this from right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. Got a lot of people out there scamming people under my name. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for. All right, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So 2024, we're gonna get to this money. 2024, we get into the bag. 2024, we're gonna change our lives from being broke to being extremely wealthy, rich, whatever we want to call it. Right now, like I told you guys in the last video, we are focusing on business credit. We are not focusing on bad credit, personal loans, or none of that. We want to get the major bag. We want to get the big bag. So if you want to get real money quick, fast, and easy, you're going to do it on the business side, not the personal side. All right, now it's loans and credit cards and things like that on the personal side, but it's for emergency purposes only. So the interest rate is going to be higher, and when you pay it back, it's going to negatively affect your personal credit score. All right, so first off, if you really want to get the bag, you have to start thinking about business credit. Credit is the #1 money game in the world. Credit will get you everything that you want without having to have no type of money. All right, credit will allow you to, okay, you get your credit together and they'll give you a loan. They'll give you a line of credit. They'll give you a credit card. You don't have to have 50, 60, 70, 100, $250,000 in your bank account to get these loans. Everything is based off your credit scores and your payment history, right? So when you see people talking about getting Lamborghinis, getting Rolls Royces, Mercedes, houses and things under the credit without no money down, it's 100% possible because they are credible and they put themselves in a position that the credit bureaus see that they are at low risk of getting these loans, right? So everything goes off payment history. Either you have exceptional payment history or delinquent payment history. Getting loans and credit cards with your new EIN is not hard at all. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to get $50,000 to $100,000 in 30 to 45 days with your new LLC in your EIN number. And this is how you're going to do it. So the first thing you need to do and the first thing you need to understand is a business is a new entity. It's not your personal, it's a business. So a business is a new entity. The EIN number is your business social security number. It's how you're going to identify your business, right? So what you want to do is you want to figure out what your LLC is going to be. You want to get your free EIN number. Once you get that EIN number, you're going to take that EIN number. You're going to go to a credit union or a smaller local bank in your area, and you're going to open up a business bank account, checking and savings, both banks. Once you take that EIN number and you open up two business bank accounts with those two banks, you're gonna put money in there regardless when you open up the bank account anyways. They're gonna have you put money in there anyways. So put 100 in each, 200 in each, so 100 in each on both banks, so $400, right? Then you're gonna take that EIN number and you're going to run trade lines on it. You're gonna go to creditstrong.com. You're gonna get the credit business bureau, the business credit builder. It's different accounts that you can get. They got the I'm gonna go to them right now and tell you guys what they have. All right, you're gonna go to Credit Strong. You're gonna add the business credit builder, all right? And they got different plans, so you can get the credit builder account for $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, and $50,000 that will be reported to your business credit, and it will report to certain bureaus like Experian, Equifax, PayNet, and SBFE. Now, certain credit bureaus that you will need to understand where they are reported, because just like on the personal side, everything doesn't report to every bureau. On the business side, everything doesn't report to every bureau. So you're going to use this account to get the Experian, Equifax, PayNet, and the SBFE. Then you're going to use trade lines, net 30 accounts on Uline, Granger, Quail, places that offer net 30s that will report to your PayNet, Dun & Bradstreet. That's how you're going to build your business credit score right there to an 80 or better. It is not hard to build your business credit. Building your business credit is ultimately the major finesse to getting some quick, fast money. Because if you get a net, like I just told you, got my LLC, got my EIN number, open up 2 bank accounts with 2 banks, credit union and smaller local bank. $400 in all, $200 in each bank. Took my EIN number, went on creditstrong.com and got a $5,000 credit builder. That's $200 a month. Then I went on Trade Line Supply and I added 5 credit cards to my my EIN number. That's like $150,000 right there. So $155,000 right there being recorded to my business credit. Then I took $500 to $5,000 and got me net 30s that will report to my Dun & Bradstreet, my paydex score, and paid it off within 30 days. Because net 30 accounts, you have up to 30 days to pay off these accounts and it report to your business credit report, your business credit. Your paydex and Dun & Bradstreet. Once your paydex score is 80 or better, your paynet and your paydex score is over 80, you're in a good standing. Now you can start, but you gotta also realize trade lines and AUs will help your account get aged. And a lot of people don't understand the magnitude of your accounts being aged. The longer your accounts are aged, the higher probability you will have getting approved for higher limit loans. So that's where the trade lines come in at. You just started an LLC or you trying to build your credit, people add trade lines to age their credit reports. So they have a longer credit history. So if you got a longer credit history with exceptional payment, that's going to put you in better position to get higher limit loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. You have a shorter history on your credit report, you're going to get less money. And it goes the same way on the business side. A little bit. So, 2024 credit method on how to get $50,000 to $100,000 in 1 month. You're going to get your LLC and your EIN number. Once you get your free EIN number, you go to 2 banks, credit union, and a local bank in your area. Open up a business bank account, checking and savings. You're going to put $100 in each, checking and savings. Now you got $400 out there, $200 in each bank. You're going to take that same EIN number. You're going to go to creditstrong.com on the business side. You're going to pick you an account. You want the $5,000 business credit builder account, $10,000, $25,000, or $50,000. For the $10,000 one is $200 a month. The $25,000 is $500 a month. And the $50,000 one is $1,000 a month. For 50 months, credit build up to $50,000, 50 months. $1,000 fee, one-time fee, no interest rate. Total cost of $999. Total monthly payments. Savings built $50,000. Interest paid. Payment unreported. All right, so one, you can get your money. You're gonna build savings. The other one, you're not. All right, so it's just about which one you feel comfortable with. Everybody's situation is different. Everybody's situation is not the same, but everybody can build credit. Credit is the #1 money game in the world, and that's why I am teaching it. That's why I am preaching it. So everybody can live lavish, everybody can live comfortable and buy the things that they want and continue to make money. Because credit, we're building our business credit to get this money to invest and make passive income. Passive income is how you really become successful in life. Passive income is money that's being made while you do nothing. That's because you're investing in something that's making you money back. And it's a lot of different things to be investing in, all right? So, you want to make $50,000 to $100,000 in 1 month, in 30 to 45 days with your new LLC and EIN number? Follow these instructions. I'm going to give them to you one more time. Get you an LLC and an EIN number. Once you get your EIN number for your LLC, take that EIN number and go to your 2 banks, credit union, and small local bank. Open up a business checking and savings account. Start dispersing money into both. Once you got that EIN number, then you're going to go to creditstrong.com. You're going to get your a business credit builder account. Pick which one you want. Then you're going to go to trade line supply, and you're going to get you however many AU accounts that you want to add to your business credit cards. You're aging your business credit automatically. This is how you're going to start aging it. And you do know you have to also get a business email, business website, business number, get it registered with the 401 National Directory, things like that. But you can do that all in the same time in the same process. It doesn't have to be done at the same, like, automatically. Like, you can do all that as you go. Credit Strong reports to, like I said, Credit Strong reports to the Business Experian, Business Equifax, Business PayNet, and Business SBFE. Then you want to go get you some net 30s, and you can Google this, look it up. That report to Dun & Bradstreet and your Paydex score. Paydex. I think NAV has one. There's other companies. I make videos on that. Which bureaus report to the Dun & Bradstreet and the Paydex score. Not the PayNet, but the Paydex with a D. And once you pay off those creditors, it's going to reflect on your business credit. 30 to 45 days, you should have an 80 or better Paydex score across the board. All your credit bureaus should be at low risk in 30 to 45 days. Now you can go into that bank, ask them for a $50,000 loan. Go into the other bank, ask for a $50,000 loan. You can go to other lenders and ask for $50,000, $100,000. It's all, I want you guys to understand that everything is based off your debt. It's good debt and it's bad debt. Good debt is debt that you have that you're paying off on time and exceptional payment history. Bad debt is debt that you have that you are delinquent on and is not paying back. So understand that the more debt that you have, the more age your account is, personal or business, but we're focusing on the business side, the higher chances you have of getting approved for these loans. So when I'm preaching trade lines and Credit Strong and trade line supply, take this in consideration because you want money fast. You want to be living lavish, wearing Louis Vuitton and chains and nice houses and studios and stuff like that and providing for your family, your people. It's going to start on the credit stride. It's not going to be given to you. You got to put in a little work. You got to put in a little effort so you can make it happen. Point blank, period. All right, so if you ready to make $50,000 to $100,000 in 2024 with this credit method, listen to this video. Pay attention to this video. Hear what I'm saying. Go do your research to what I'm saying so you can have a better understanding. Take the steps that I'm giving you, and you'll be successful. Easy as that. There's nothing to it but to do it. You know, you see a lot of people out there being successful under credit, using credit. You can do it too. And I'm showing you guys you can do it too. I used to live in my car. Now I have a better situation because of credit. So, shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get your FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems that will teach you everything that you need to know, how to start making money, how to build your credit, personal business credit, how to clean your personal credit, how to start making passive income, what things to invest in, how to make $50,000 a month all profit, plus more. FaceTime 101, $600, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Please send me them screenshots. Let me know you payment ready. $600 on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance before you contact me, or you will not get a response. This is business. I have time to be answering 21 questions, a million questions for you to be like, all right, I'm going to hit you when I got my money. I don't have time for none of that. Everything that y'all ask me, I preach and tell y'all in over 1,000 videos. So please, be ready to work, be ready to learn, or I will not respond to you, or you will be blocked, point blank, period. And please understand that you are not going to be Michael Jordan overnight. Michael Jordan got cut from his varsity team. It took him time and work and effort into his game to get to be Michael Jordan. So if you think you finna get some lessons or get some type of method and become Michael Jordan overnight, find something else, because I don't have time for that. This is for you to learn. This is for you to gain new knowledge about new things that you didn't never know about, and learn and start making money. A lot of people never learned about credit. A lot of people never was taught credit. Nobody really was taught credit. So if you really want to make money, you really ready to learn, you really ready to elevate, those are the people I want to work with. Anybody out there just thirsty for some money, want to think something's just been given to them, please don't contact me. Because it's not about the money. It's about the person you are. Some people don't want to learn. Some people just want you to tell them how to go do something and get them some instant money. And it doesn't work like that. So I'm telling you guys this in this video. So when you contact me, be ready to learn and work and put in your effort. I can lead you to the water, but I can't make you drink. So FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gym, $600. Book your seat right now. Skip the line fees, $300. You want to learn everything about the 8 instant cash out methods, cash out glitch, all that. All that's included with the FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gyms. But you can also book me in person for on the crypto tour for the in-person limited gyms. $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state, and you also have to pay for my flight and my hotel. So you want me to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $5,500, $500 deposit. You have to pay for my flight and hotel, but if you come in-state to me, it's going to be $4,400, $500 deposit. You're going to learn everything in person. You're going to learn how to make some money right then and there, working smarter and not harder. That's the goal. There's nobody out there giving these gems like me. There's nobody out there helping the people like me. So do not waste or blow your opportunity to get this information. Mentorships is $2,500. Anybody out there looking to get that 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, $320 cash out for Bitcoin payment, you can contact me on my Telegram or my Instagram, Wealth of Riches, and my Telegram, and my Instagram is King Hussle X1M, 31,000 followers. Stop getting scammed and stop being thirsty. Be patient, do your research so you can make sure you're getting what you paid for and you're not getting scammed by these fake King Hussle pages. Because a lot of y'all be thirsty just trying to send money to random King Hussles and all that, then get mad at me. Like, I don't get how y'all talk to these fake people, then come to me and show me the conversations. Like, well, I don't be getting it. Like, it's weird. So $600 FaceTime 101 Limited Gyms, but you want to tap into the crypto tour, it's going to be $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state. If you book me out-of-state, you got to pay for my flight and my hotel. Learn these gyms in person. Come get rich. It's your turn. 2024, we about to turn up. We about to elevate. We about to make everybody rich, get everybody some money. Tap in with these methods. Tap into my Telegram. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.